Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar.
Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, in a collabo with Alexa. We're looking at the new Amazon Echo Pop. This is a really budget-friendly way to get Alexa in your home. Is it any good? Let's find out. I did do a separate unboxing video, so if you want to watch that, you can check it out for my first impressions. But what you'll notice is that this is a very, very small smart speaker. In fact, it has that same similarity in terms of its design to an Echo Dot, except it looks like a samurai came over and just sliced it, chop suey, and chopped it in half. And that's pretty much what you get. So I was really interested to see what the audio quality was going to be on something this small.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just
And-
follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar.
So that's what you
Instala la app
hear
de Alexa y sigue las
when you first
instrucciones.
plug it in,
Bonjour.
and everything
Votre
else
appareil est
happened
prêt pour la
inside the
configuration.
Amazon
Téléchargez
app.
l'application Alexa et suivez les
But the
instructions.
quality is very good. So when you download the Alexa app, if you don't have it already, basically you just have to go to add devices, select that you want an Echo device. It'll actually show you that Echo Pop is up there. So they've updated the app since this came out. It says it's going to need to connect through Bluetooth, so you have to enable Bluetooth. And this is how smart devices get that initial connection, is through Bluetooth, and then it will send the Wi-Fi information from your phone to that new device. Everything happens in the background, so it's super easy. It doesn't get any easier than this when it comes to installing smart home devices. Tells you a couple of things you need to know, and then you assign the room that you're going to be placing it in. And if you are building a smart home, it's important to just kind of assign all those to different rooms. It'll ask you about voice ID. This is that personalization feature where it can recognize different family members, but you have to train it. So it's going to give you a bunch of commands that you have to say for them, in fact, and then from there it'll keep a record of it, and it can just see the little nuances, I should say, in our voice. And that's what it's picking up to make that identification for each person in your family.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:58 p.m. Have a pleasant afternoon.
Very good audio quality, I have to say.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:59
Even far away.
Alexa, tell me a dad joke.
Of course,
Why
you
did
have
the
to.
dad cross the road? He saw another dad working on a car.
Alexa, what's the weather for today?
In Surrey, it's 15 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 18
Not bad for a
degrees and
very
low of 10
small speaker
degrees.
like that. Let's
Alexa,
turn the volume
up to 10.
up. Whoa.
Alexa,
some music.
play some music.
Now, I'm going to have to talk here because I don't want to get
Here's a mix
flagged.
for you on Amazon
I don't want to
Music.
get flagged by YouTube. But look how far I am and just how loud. That little tiny speaker is sitting over there. If you wanted to fill a room up, all you gotta do is put it in a corner and the entire room is gonna be filled with sound. I was so impressed, I wanted to see how loud it can get outside. Because that's the ultimate test. There's no
Alexa,
walls.
what time is it?
Let's go and test
It's
the
1:07
microphone.
p.m.
Working from there. Let's go back a little more.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 1:07 p.m.
Still
Oh,
picking it
yeah.
up. Let's go back over here. This is gotta be like 50 feet, folks. Maybe 60 feet. I don't
Alexa,
really
what
know.
time is it?
Didn't work the first time. Let me try it again.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:07 p.m.
Oh my god.
Crazy, man. That's a little
Alexa,
tiny thing.
play next song.
So now it's about the audio quality. Now this is a directional speaker. So you notice it's very, very loud when you're sitting right in front of it. It's coming straight out of the front. This is not like a omnidirectional. It's just a front-facing speaker. So that sound is always going to be the loudest when you're facing the front of that speaker. So positioning is
Alexa.
very key.
Turn the volume down by 80%.
And you can even use mathematical percentages to turn the volume down, which is nice. That's the way I like to do
Alexa,
it.
turn the volume to max.
And I'll try max. Different types of voice commands, and it works. But it likes to go from a numbers of 1 to 10. So that's pretty good for a small speaker that size. Again, if you want an affordable way to get Alexa into your home, look no further than the Amazon Echo Pop. It's perfect for like say laundry rooms, sheds, garages, if you want to extend Alexa across your home, or if it's maybe your first Alexa device. It's super affordable. You got to check it out. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Amazon Echo Pop. If you did, please smash that like button. Leave your comments below. If you have a smart home, if you like Alexa, or maybe you like Google or Siri, let me know. I'm very curious on what you use for your smart home, but this is very, very affordable. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time, folks. Bye for now.